make a sound. It's magical, the snowflake.
Hi everyone, me and Isla, and today we're playing Doggie Doo. Yay! And we know it comes with poop, but we've also got some noisy putty to try out in it. Yes.
Different colours with the noisy putty?
Yeah.
So it'll be poop in all different colours, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we've got the prizes, which are the eggs, and it's the first person to get 2 poops.
2 poops?
Yeah.
Do you know what, girls? I'm playing with you.
Yeah!
So I'm going to play with you as well. Have some fun with this Doggie Doo. Okay?
Open the prizes at the end.
Yeah, so we've got some surprises in the surprise eggs, and obviously we've got Shopkins. You can see the Shopkins surprise eggs there, guys. Noisy putty, different colours, pink, yellow and blue.
Yeah!
Let's open Doggie Doo.
Yeah! So, let's get Doggie Doo.
Get Doggie Doo Doo. That's the poo poo. Get the surprise egg, I love.
There's more chumpy.
More chumpy.
Look at the back, look at the back, look at the back.
Look at that. Okay. So there's the... Do you know what? This is the dog food they're calling it, which is obviously poop. So, Doggie Doo food.
So,
So that's Doggie Doo out the box. Tiana's got Doggie Doo.
Scoops. Can I be purple?
You can be purple.
Red.
Tiana's going to be red. Tiana's
I
favourite
knew
colour.
that.
I want to be blue.
Blue.
Okay.
And also, it comes with the dice with stickers. Should I stick them on?
So where do they go then?
They're stickers on the dice.
Oh, okay then.
And then this is how much
Poop.
poop you put in Doggie Doo. You
Okay.
take the bone out
Get the bone out, Doggie Doo.
and then put it in.
Oh yeah. So yeah, you put the poop in the mouth of the.
There's a little bit of poop in.
You put the poop in the Doggie Doo, and then you put the bone inside. Ugh.
And his tail waggles as well. When
Some
you
sample poops in there, look. Ugh.
Does it dry a little bit?
Yeah.
Look, that was the poop colour. Yellow.
Isla, you got your spade ready?
Yes.
Tiana,
Yes, it's red, my favourite colour.
and I've got the blue spade, and there's a spare one which is green, but this is a 3-player challenge, so we don't need this.
Yeah.
Woo! Okay, Doggie Doo,
Sausage dog.
how are you? Woo! So there's Doggie Doo. Doggie Doo's got the bowl. Doggie Doo's got the bowl. If I call the bone the bowl. Oh wow. So this is the bowl. This is the bone. Not that way around. Bone, bowl. Got that? Got that. Okay. Tiana?
Like a measuring cup.
Yeah, that can be used as the measuring for the food or the poo poo. Yeah?
Food, but it turns into poop.
Turns into poop.
Yeah.
The dice, Tiana?
So 2 means that you pump it 2 times. And 3 means you pump it 3 times. And 1 means you pump it 1. And the X means that you miss a go.
Okay.
And the shovel, which is like this, that means you can take other players' poop.
So if it lands on the shovel and Isla's got a poop, I can say, I want your poop. Then I can hand my shovel over to Isla and she could just kindly pour the poop onto my shovel and I'll get an extra point. Super duper. And here's the food. And here
Like
is...
putty kind
It's like noisy putty. Let's have a look. What? Oh yeah! Wow! Hey! Oh, look at that!
I got it!
You got it!
And also, you know that small red measuring cup? Instead of using this, we could use this bowl.
Oh wow! We use that bowl for the poop.
No, we use more than these. We use like everything.
I'll tell you what. I've just realised something, but you didn't know. Have a look at that. Look at that! We've got poop on the wall, guys. Oh, disgusting.
Doggie Doo, you had 3 poos. You had triplets. Oh, 4 poos. Nasty, naughty. Doggie Doo
stinks of poo. Okay, Doggie Doo, it's dinner time.
Oh.
There we go.
He's put it in his bowl.
Well, that's what you do when you measure the food. But we don't need to do that because I'm going to put a bit more in.
Yeah. No, that's going to be too much. No. That's enough. No.
That's Doggie Doo's dinner. Okay.
Okay. Imagine a bone.
Right, let's stuff that into Doggie Doo's mouth. Here we go. Doggie Doo's feeling great. Okay, the bone. He's ready for the bone.
Oh, dessert.
Let's get that bone tight in Doggie Doo.
Dessert.
Right, girls, what we need to do is rock, paper, scissors like you said earlier.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Chop, chop, chop.
So you go first, Isla.
Okay.
So I'll go after you, Tiana. So you got the dice?
Yeah.
You're going to throw the dice into the love art? Okay, Isla, you're up. Let's go.
Roll.
What have we got?
Take somebody else's poo, so that means...
So
That
Isla's,
means Mr. Go.
yeah, taking somebody else's spade.
Yeah.
What? That was what you poop, so you just miss a go. Okay, Tiana, you're up.
Yay!
Oh, Tiana's got an X. So there's Tiana's X. So Tiana had to miss a go because she got an X, so it's my turn.
Yeah, so basically you're first.
Have I got two?
Yeah.
Yay.
Yes. Two. Pump it up.
Pump it up. You ready?
Yeah.
Doggie Doo. Hear that? Oh.
That was your second go.
That was my second go. Okay, Isla. Isla's go. What have you got?
So here's my number 2.
Okay. Pump it up. Pump it up. Isla's got 2 to pump it up. Come on. 1. Tiana. Oh.
Are you okay, sweet doggy?
Okay.
Oh, wait. Pop, pop, pop.
Is that an X? X marks the spot. Miss a go, Tiana. Daddy's up.
Pump it up. It's
Pump it up. What have I got? What have I got?
3.
Yay!
Pump it up. Pump it up.
All right. 3 pumps. 1. Come on. 2. Poop. Oh. Okay.
Again. Right, can I look at the poop? Oh, I can see the poop. I can see the poop.
Right. All right. Let's go. 1. There's Isla's number 1.
Yeah.
Isla, 1 pump.
Get something.
I can see that from here. X marks the spot, so it's my go. Right.
I keep on getting X's, not X. You're going.
Okay. Bring the pump round.
X. X.
Oh, X.
Can I grab? Yeah.
Ah, no poop. Yeah, miss a go.
T's go. It's T's go.
No, it's my go.
No.
Oh, is it yours? Oh, okay. 3.
Sorry. Did you see the number 3 there?
Okay, yes.
I think you might have got poop. I'm not sure.
Yeah! Uh-oh.
Should I just?
Yeah, it's there. It's there.
You need to scoop.
Oh!
That's a little poop. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
You need one more.
Okay, so Tiana needs 1 more poop, so we need to get some more poop inside Doggie
You
Doo.
guys could take somebody else's poo though.
That's true. Okay, Tiana, so you need 1 more poop to win, okay? I'm going to go first in this round. What have I got? 2, right. Doggie Doo, let's have you. 1. Ugh. 2. Who's next? Isla? Okay. Want to go again? Go again, Isla?
Oh no, go again.
Well, he's not.
The ball.
Yeah. 1.
What?
You go. Wow, that's a big one. Tiana?
There you are. Thank you.
Oh.
Mr. Go.
Well, you're the only person who's got poop.
Your go.
Yeah.
Your go.
You're the only person with poop, so you can't take nobody else's poop. We haven't got any. Big 2. 1. Come on.
Oh yeah.
2. 1. Isla, I really thought you got that one there.
I did. Oops,
Back
I
in.
did.
2. One. Oh, wow.
No, that didn't count. That's my
One more.
I can see it there, right there. No,
Have you done two?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, look at it there. You can see it. It's like
Two.
You got the pin.
You think so? What? Oh! Nice big. Let me get my poop.
Daddy are tying.
There we go. So we need one more each. So let's put some more food. Cheers with the poo. Cheers. Cheers.
Ew. Can I put some more poo in?
Okay, Isla, do you want to go first then?
Just reload the doggy do.
Reloaded, of course. Let's go. Two. What? Oh.
That sounds like it's already there. I know.
Wow.
It feel like here now. It sounds like it's there. What have you got?
One for Tiana. One.
Ooh. I need to take somebody else's poo.
Two. Oh. Oh. Okay. You stroking doggy do. One.
Two.
Come on, Isla. Hello, doggy do. Two for Isla. Those big squeezes, Isla, they was.
You want the poo.
Okay. Two. One. Oh.
Daddy!
No, what? Oh. Two.
That was like a weird one.
Oh, doggy do then.
I'm going to one. You
Right.
won, Daddy, because it's there.
Really?
Yeah.
What? Oh!
You win, I think.
Yes!
I didn't get one.
Yes!
I like the winning poo.
There you go. There you go. Winner! 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 Okay, Daddy's smiling. You know why? Because we can choose prizes! Mmm! So I get to choose, what, how many? Two is it?
One.
No, two. Thank you very much. So I'm having noisy putty, and I'm gonna open a Shopkins, and I'm having blue. Blue like my face.
Oh, I still got the blue noisy putty as well.
Smiggle scissors, just like Tiana always says. What have I got? Pop.
Definitely broccoli.
Broccoli. Right, so that's one. Noisy putty time. Ah! Got in my face. Oh.
That looks horrible. That looks horrible. That looks horrible. No, that does not feel like noisy putty. No, no. I'm
Right.
gonna make it do the noise.
I've got a quick challenge for you. Okay. You've got 20 seconds, okay, to open as many surprises there. 20, 19, 18, 16, 17, 17, 16, 15, 14,
No, it isn't opening.
13, 12, 11, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, so what you've opened, you can keep. That's that. And that's free. That's free. And that's free.
I've opened it.
Okay.
I got these.
Jelly beans. Can I take some jelly beans? Yummy, 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 yummy.
These jelly beans are nice. You got two rings
Oh.
exactly the same.
Yes, so Daddy won. Whoa. Awesome fun though, Doggie Doo.
Yeah, it was lots of fun.
Well, that's the first time you've opened your surprises that quick ever.
So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We love you all. See you soon. Bye. Sticky poop.
I love Christmas. Isla failed. You're the winner on round 1. Get rid of the evidence.